Welcome back to Math Families. We are still working on subtraction for today's lesson. However, we are now working on bridging the relationship between subtraction and addition. Our job for today reads, I can use related addition facts to solve a subtraction problem. Great job, my friends. Let's go ahead and jump straight to our math vocabulary. Remember, solution is another word for answer. Whole. Whole is another word for total. Alright, my friends, for warm-up today, we are going to use hide zero cards. Hide zero cards are a new strategy for some friends and our review strategy for others. Hide zero cards are very important because they help us see numbers that are bigger than 10. Take a look at this screen. I have my number 10 here, written in number form, and then I have 10 dots here so we can see the amount. Great, now I'm going to write it in as a part for my number bond. All right, my friends and families, now I'm going to add a 2 to the 10 that we already have. I'm going to add it in the number form and I'm going to add it in the dots. Great, now I want you to discuss with your family or a friend about what just happened. And then I want you to fill in the number bond on your own before we do it together. All right, my friends, let's go ahead and fill in our total first. What is our total now that I've added the 2? Great job, my friends. It is 12. Now this is the tricky part, my friend. We know that our whole is 12, and we know that the part that we started with was 10. So what is our missing part? Great job, my friend. Did you also think it was 2? Great job. And this is the hide zero way of seeing numbers. Oh my goodness, my friend, you guys did so great. Now we're going to do one more together just so we can really feel confident about it. I'm going to go ahead and add a 4 to the number, and I'm going to add 4 dots. Discuss with a friend or a family member about what just happened and how we would fill in our number bond. Welcome back, my friends. So just like we did last time, we know and we see that our whole or our total is 14. And we started off with the part of 10. Did you discuss with your friend or your family member about the missing part? Or about the part that Miss X added? Oh my goodness, you did, my friend. Great job. What is our missing part here? Oh my goodness, good job, my friends. You guys are doing so fantastic. My missing part is 4. Now we're going to get ready to go to the teacher model. Let's jump straight into our starter problem. Read with me or in your head as I read out loud to you. Jesse and Carl were comparing the beads they picked up. Jesse picked up 9 beads. 5 of them were red and the rest were white. Carl picked up 5 red beads and 4 white beads. Carl said they had the same number of white beads. Is Carl correct? Remember, my friends, as great mathematicians, we always go back and reread the problem, so let's go ahead and do that. Jesse and Carl were comparing the beads they picked up. Jesse picked up 9 beads. 5 of them were red, and the rest were white. So let's go ahead and work on Jesse's side first. So we know that Jesse picked up 9 beads. I'm going to go ahead and draw 9 beads. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great. And we know that 5 of them were red. So I'm going to go ahead and box that in or group it and put R to show that it's red. And the rest were white. Oh, I see. So with a friend or a family member, discuss how many white beads did Jesse pick up? We boxed in our red group already, but how many white beads did Jessie pick up? Tell a friend or a family member. Welcome back, my friends. Were you also thinking 4? If you did, give yourself a pat on the back. Great job, my friends. Yeah, it looks like Jessie picked up 4 white beads because 5 of the beads are red. Now let's work on Carl's side. Carl picked up 5 red beads, so let's go ahead and draw that out. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we know that that's the red beads. And he picked up 4 white beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Carl said they had the same number of white beads. Is Carl correct? Now before we answer, I want you to go ahead and talk with a friend or a family member. Is Carl correct? Because that's our big question. Welcome back, my friends. Were you thinking that Carl was correct also? Oh my goodness, great job, my friend. Go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back. I'm very proud of you. Carl told Jessie that they had the same number of white beads. And our big job was to figure out whether Carl was correct. And my friends, we all agreed that Carl is correct. So let's go ahead and finish our sentence with a complete thought. Carl is correct because, my friends, so we all agreed that Carl is correct. But do we know why? Can we explain why we think that? Go ahead and pause, tell a friend or a family member about why you think Carl is correct. Welcome back, my friends. Carl is correct because, great job, because they both have 4 white beads. Welcome to the teacher model. For our teacher model today, we are using the addition chart. My friends, I have a question for you. How did this addition chart help us with our addition facts? Remember, we used this a long time ago. So go ahead and talk with a friend or a family member. How did this addition chart help us with our addition facts? I want you to think about the add-ins. That's my hint to you. Welcome back, my friends. Were you thinking the same things as me? I remember that this addition chart helped me with my addition facts because I noticed that in our addition chart, all the rows start with the same first addend. Take a look. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3. The first addend in all of our rows have the same number. Great job. I also noticed that all the plus 1 addends or the second addends are in the same column. So we have rows and then we have columns. If you take a look at the columns, the second addend is the same. And if you see the rows, the first addends are the same. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2. But in the columns, second addends are the same. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1. Great job, my friends. And the last thing that I was thinking about for our addition chart was that the ones that are near each other are related. Kind of like 4 plus 3 equals 7. And underneath, we see that 5 plus 3, that's one more, and it equals 8. And they're very close to each other. In fact, they're on top of each other. Oh my goodness, my friends. We remember so many patterns and so many things about our addition chart. Great job. Give yourself a pat on the back. For the next part, I am going to show you a subtraction number sentence. And remember, my friends, our job for today is to think about related addition facts so that we can solve subtraction problems. Great. Let me go ahead and write that down. Our number sentence for today is 7 minus 4. I want you to write a number bond on your own or with a family member and leave the missing part empty. So go ahead and do that, and we will come back together and do it together. Great job. Welcome back, my friends. What does the 7 represent? Great job. The 7 represents my whole or my total. My friends, what does the 4 represent? Great job. It represents one of our parts. And now we have a missing part. Before you solve, I want you to think about which of the addition problems on our chart has a part that is 4. Go ahead and pause, take a look at the screen, and discuss with a family member. Which of the addition problems on our chart has a part that is 4? Welcome back, my friends. Great job. It's the row that starts with 4 plus 0. And remember, my friends, rows go this way. Great. It's the row that starts with 4 plus 0. And it's the column going down that starts with 1 plus 4. Yep. So our row here has a first addend of 4. And our column here has a second addend of 4. Great job, my friends. Remember, my friends, our addition chart tells the part, but not the totals. So, in order for us to finish our number bond and to carry out our objective and also finish our number sentence, I want you to think, which of these number sentences on our addition chart has the same total and shared part as our number bond? Go ahead and think, pause, tell a friend or a family member, and then we will do it together. Great job. Welcome back, my friends and my families. If you were thinking this, give me a silent agree sign, or you can silently agree in your head. Great job, my friends. Were you also thinking 3 plus 4? 3 plus 4 equals 7, and it has a shared part of 4. Great job. Were you also thinking 4 plus 3? 4 plus 3 also equals 7 and has a shared part of 4. Great job. Now that we have used the addition chart, let's go ahead and use those 2 facts to help us solve our number bond and our subtraction sentence. What is a common other part that we have in both of these? Great, they both have 4, and they both also have what? Because we know that our addition chart doesn't give the total. Great job! The missing part and a shared part is also 3. So then, our subtraction sentence is finally solved. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Oh my goodness, great job, my friends. I am so proud of you. I know today was really tough. Now I want you to go ahead and work on your worksheet.